What is up? Welcome to this video. Welcome to another software engineering concept in Python. In this video, we are going to look at how you do a bubble sort algorithm in Python. So bubble sort is one of the simplest sorting algorithms in computer science. It works by repeatedly stepping through the list, comparing adjacent elements, and swapping them if they are in the wrong order. So the largest values progressively bubble to the end with each pass through the list until everything is actually sorted perfectly. So we'll look at some working practicals, examples of how they can be used. Okay, so a step-by-step bubble example is an initial array that will start with an unsorted array of 5 to 83 in square brackets. Okay, so the first pass will compare 5 and 2 and then swap. Then it gives us this. Compare 5 and 8, we'll say no swap, and then compare 8 and 3, swap, and then gives us this. So on the second pass, we compare 2 and 5, there will be no swap. We compare 5 and 3, swap, and then we'll have this. Okay, so we'll also compare 5 and 8 here in this second pass, there will be no swap. So on the final result, one more pass with no swaps confirms the array is actually sorted. That's how it works in computer science in general. Thank you for watching this video. This is Ayo the General Software Engineering Concepts.